Hey everyone, my name is Blake Coolidge and I'm the head of sales development over here at Tines. I'm joined today by one of our awesome sales engineers, Aaron Sandow, and we got our hats on in honor of Black Hat just wrapping up. Tines helps security and IT teams automate workflows, and we were chatting with Brandon Maxwell, who's our head of IT ops and information security over here at Tines, about what he finds valuable from sales teams as one of our potential prospects. He said just to keep it simple, right? Show off a use case or a workflow that could help his team save time. So we are going to kick off this video series, Friday Flows, where all we're going to do is just grab a common use case or story, as we call it here at Tines, demo it, and show you how easy it is to put it into action. So in the coming weeks, we're going to look at a mix of practical flows, very common ones that our customers are using around threat intelligence enrichment or vulnerability management or compliance. And we'll mix in some more fun ones like creating AI-powered tools in Tines. So for today, we're just going to start with an overview, and I'll turn it over to Aaron to start with the simple question. Aaron, what does Tines do?
Awesome. Thanks, Blake. Let me go ahead and share my screen. So Tines is a no-code automation builder. We make it really easy for you to take whatever process you're manually running with every day and automating it in Tines in a no-code manner. You can leverage Tines to automate any process you'd like from the start to the end by just leveraging these 7 actions over here. You simply drag these actions out onto your storyboard. You tie them together, reference response data from your upstream actions within your downstream actions, and then that's ultimately how you automate any process. A story in Tines is just a visualization of your automation, and data in Tines typically flows from the top to the bottom unless you direct your logic in one direction or the other, or maybe even loop it back around to satisfy a use case such as pagination. Building in Tines is as easy as just dragging these actions around, connecting them up, and then referencing your data within your upstream actions. We have several pre-configured templates for you where you can search for all sorts of vendors within and without of security. So for example, I can look for Okta or Recorded Future, whatever the vendors might be. As you can see, there's a very long list of them. I could drag these pre-configured templates out to my screen, onto my storyboard, massage the template, massage the payload, add in my credential information, and get up and running super quickly. We have tons of pre-built automations within our story library, which you can access either directly from your tenant or from the website. Within here, you could search for common processes such as phishing, see all of our examples of what our customers have done with phishing automations. When you click on these, you'll be able to actually see what they do in detail. You could drag them around your screen, zoom in, zoom out, etc., and simply import these stories into your tenant, massage the story so that it's your enrichment providers, your case management tools, etc., and you'll be off to the races very quickly. Additionally, Tines has dashboards built for an analyst where we're able to highlight different records or artifacts of data in a graphical manner for analysts to be able to analyze security events as they might occur. We also have a fully fledged case management system where you could document and track your investigations as you go as well.
Awesome. Thank you, Aaron. Not your first rodeo running through that. So thanks for doing a very helpful overview there. So starting next week, we are going to jump into that story library and grab a specific workflow to show you. I think first up on the docket is one of our most popularly used stories around threat intelligence enrichment. And if you're eager to dive right in, feel free to head over to our website and request a more personalized demo, or visit the story library or our YouTube channel to start getting some inspiration. And be sure to comment on this post or message me directly if there's a story that you'd like to see highlighted in the future. See you next week.